Right, so we have just made a video.
Yes.
And after making the video, we thought we'd turn this into a challenge.
Yeah, proper motorhome challenge.
This is going to be called What's in the Bag? The Motorhome Challenge.
Yes.
Watch the video, come back.
And see who's being challenged.
We're going to challenge 2 people.
Yeah. Could be you. Good morning.
Hello!
Welcome to another day.
Something completely different. We've never done anything like this before.
No.
Ever. What's in the bag? What's in the bag? Everybody with a camper van, with a motorhome, with any kind of van, probably with every car, has a bag of bits in it.
Even
Spare
houses.
bits.
Houses have drawers.
Houses. You know that drawer which is full of everything?
And you think, why did I even keep that?
Yeah. Well, this is ours.
Yes.
We didn't buy it from the co-op. That's just the bag.
No, so we have actually been in the boot this morning looking for something. And we're both going, what's that? What's that?
Yeah. What were we trying to do? Have you got it at hand, Mazzy?
Oh, it's just a
fly
like
screen.
A fly screen thing on the door, but we couldn't find what we wanted.
You know, the hooks to try and put it up. We want to
Yeah.
put a little fly screen up.
Yeah.
So we got our bag of special bits out. And I'm going through it. You know, there's some tape. A very nice cloth there, Mazzy.
Yeah.
Chamois kind of
yeah.
thing. That's
That
nice.
could do for washing the van.
You just said Velcro. There is some Velcro bits
No,
there.
that's not the underneath though. That's just the.
But it is Velcro.
Well, it's not. It's not.
Okay.
Well, no.
End off as Karcher. One of a different end.
And actually, hold on, just stop. I think that might work. Look, they loop.
Yes, I told you.
Right. Okay. So we'll
told
discuss
you.
that off. You did tell me. So we'll discuss that later.
Gloves. Some kind of metal tape. I think that's magnetic. Not sure.
So where's this video going? Explain yourself.
What do you call these again? I was looking for some of
Cable
these.
ties.
Cable ties. So a bag of bits, yeah? Big bag of bits.
Yes.
And we never throw things away just in case you're going to need it in the
Yes.
future.
We all do it, don't we?
We do. Now, we have laid some things out on our table here. Things which we've kept thinking we might need that in the future.
Yes.
Can't throw it away just in case.
Yes.
And we thought we'll play a little game of Guess Who. We
Guess
know...
who? Guess what?
Guess what?
Yeah.
We know what some of these products are. We don't know what some of the others are.
No.
So we thought we'll number each item. You can guess what they are or tell us what they are. We might learn what we've got.
Yeah.
And you might just have a bit of fun guessing what they are.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we've got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 items.
Oh, that's a bad number. Let's add one more, shall we? I don't like 13. Let's just add one more.
I couldn't find anything else, Mazzy.
That.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that's
Ooh.
14.
Okay, yeah, that'll work. That'll
Yeah,
work.
will that work?
Right,
Yeah.
14 items.
Yeah.
We'll number them 1 to 14 and tell us in the comments what they are, what you think they are, or what they are.
Yeah.
Let's start with something easy.
Easy. Can I pick then?
Go on then.
Oh no, I don't know if I want to touch it really.
Don't give them clues, Mazzy.
Okay, so it's this.
That is number 1. So tell us in the comments what you think this is. What?
Alright, can I just give him a slight little clue?
No, you've just given them one.
No, just quick. There's super glue on it. And all our old time subscribers might remember what that is anyway. There we go. So that's just a small clue. You're not getting no more.
So that is number 1. So
Yeah.
in the comments, if you're going to guess what anything is, put like number 1 and what it is.
So
yeah?
we know what this is, but there are items we want to know what they
Yes.
are. Right.
So that's a very easy one. Very easy
Put
one.
it back in the bag.
Number 1.
Yep.
Can I pick now?
Yep.
Let's go with this. I like this one.
Do you?
Tell us what this is. It comes together. It's got like a little latchy thing there. It seems to move. Oh, it comes into 3. Right, I've broke it.
You've definitely broke it.
Got a spring on there. That's number 2. Can anyone guess what that is off?
I know what that is, so...
I didn't. I'd forgotten.
Until I told you,
But Mazzy's told me.
Yeah.
Number 3. Let's get on to something a bit more difficult.
I'm going to go on to the easy one.
No, something more difficult, Mazzy, because they're getting hard.
Yeah, exactly.
Go on, then.
Let's just get these easy ones out of the way. What is this?
What is that off? It's got a keyhole in there.
Obviously, we know what this one is. Right, in the bag.
Number
Have a guess,
3.
have a guess.
Right, let's get on to something really hard now.
Yep.
Like, some of these parts are parts we've been sent for jobs we need doing in the motorhome from various companies.
Yes.
And we don't even know what they are. So, let's go on to this one. This is interesting. It's just a flat metal bar with a little curve, 90-degree curve at the end.
I actually know what that one is.
I know what that is.
You do?
And I'm wondering...
I'm surprised you know.
For some reason, I don't think it fits what we want it for.
No, we were sent the wrong one.
So, anyone guess what that is for?
Yeah.
It's specifically for a motorhome, I think.
Yeah. Oh, caravan.
Or
I don't
a
know.
caravan, maybe.
Yeah. We'll see.
What was that, number 4?
1, 2, 3, 4. How many we got left?
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4.
10. Yeah, so that must have been number 4.
Yeah, that was number 4. So number 5.
Number 5, Mazzy, you pick something.
I'm going to pick this. I'm trying to get the easy bits out of the way.
Well, you shouldn't be. You should be mixing it up a bit.
There you go. Can you see that? Anyone, like I said, who watches our videos quite regularly will know exactly. I obviously know what they are.
There's 2 of them there.
Left, yep.
Are they the same?
Yep. Yep.
Oh, and they've got little plasticky bits in them as well.
Yep.
See that? Okay, so 2 of them. Do they move at all?
So this is number 5, remember?
That's number 5.
Yep.
Stick that in the bag.
Yep.
Number 6. Well, if you're going to keep picking easy ones, I'm going to start picking hard ones.
Yep.
Let's go with this. Big plastic chunky thing. That looks like some kind of clip.
Don't break that.
I don't know what this is off.
That's brand new.
Mazzy has given me an idea of what it might be off.
I know what it is.
I don't know. That's number 6. Someone tell us what they think that is.
Yeah.
Number 7, Mazzy, your turn.
Number 7. I'm going to go with this.
Okay.
So this is obviously like a, what do we call these?
Switchboard.
It's kind of a switchboard.
We're not showing you the other side.
No.
Because it gives a big clue away.
It's a certain shape. If you've got a motorhome, you'll recognise that shape possibly.
Yeah.
Like I said,
got
I'm not...
little black bits on there.
Yep.
Again, if you've seen all our videos, you'll know what these are because we have tried some of these products on his videos.
We know
including that.
What that one is. Right.
What number was that?
6.
9, 10, 11, 12. No, it wasn't. It was number 7.
Was it?
That was number 7.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Right.
Right, my turn.
Yep.
Let's go with this. Okay, we've got a few of these. We still use them. It's just like a little round hole. This one's gone a bit rusty. Strange little shape on the back there.
Have a guess.
What is it?
What do we use it for?
No, hang on. What number were we on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7.
7. So that was number 7. That's number 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah. That's number 8. Number 8.
Yes.
In the comments, tell us what you think that is. Just to interrupt this video very quickly.
Yes, it's time to say our big thank yous.
Super thanks. We had 2 super thanks yesterday from Caravanning in Cara the Van again.
Caravanning in Cara the Van. I
Well
like
done.
that name. Yeah.
And Maggie Mitchell.
Thank you, Maggie Mitchell. You're amazing. You're both amazing.
Thank you both
you
very,
so
very much.
Yes.
Now, we did get given an envelope.
We'd recently met a couple yesterday, was it yesterday?
We had
No,
a
day
drink.
before.
We had a drink with them, and they were a lovely couple. They watch us videos.
Yes. And by the way, I just wanted to say sorry we didn't get to see you today.
We didn't know you were going. We thought it was tomorrow.
Yeah, we actually generally thought it was
thought you were
tomorrow,
going tomorrow.
and we were filming all the day this morning. So.
But anyway, we've been handed an
Yes.
envelope to Dan and Mazzy.
Yeah.
note about.
To be opened on camera, that's why we're opening it on camera.
If you're ever near Chesterfield...
Don't give the name and address, etc.
Just off the M1, I think it's saying. Give us a ring if you need to empty your loo tanks or washing. Oh yeah, I've got the postcode, so luckily I'm not showing this on here. Stay safe and keep on being... Oh my God, there's money in here. Keep on being you. To the modest, down-to-earth...
The most down, not modest.
Oh, we are modest. To the most down-to-earth, genuine people, that's us.
Oh.
That's what they mean, us, Bazzy. Thank you for an amazing Monday afternoon, a memory we will treasure.
Aww.
Thank you for my gifts. What did we give them, apart from a sticker?
We gave him something else.
We stole some milk.
Yeah, I stole some milk from them. And I actually did replace that.
Which we were going to give you back, but we hadn't seen you.
As soon as we went out yesterday, we were in bed. Yeah.
Here's our gift to you. Go and enjoy yourselves. Lots of love from Sue, Pete, Sky and Costa.
Sky and Costa was the doggies.
They have two wonderful, wonderful dogs, and they've given us a bit of money. Thank you so much.
It was so lovely to meet you, Sue and Pete. Honestly, we generally did think you were
going
till tomorrow.
We were going to come and see you again today.
A bit disappointed now, yeah.
Never mind. It was lovely meeting you.
But thank you.
Right, back to the challenge. Number 9, Mazzy, my favourite number.
Now, I know what this is, but I have no idea why we kept it.
I kept it for when I break the next one, which I've already broke.
Yeah, we just do. So this... Okay.
Yeah, that's just glue. That just comes apart.
How does this work again?
So it's two different parts.
Yeah.
So you've got a little blippy holy thing there. A lot of glue on the back of it for some reason. That might help.
Oh, yes, I see. Yeah.
And then you've got like a catchy thing here.
So it's actually 2 items in one there, isn't it?
It is. It's got a spring in the top corner as if that should spring down, but it doesn't. Maybe that's why it's in the bag, Mazzy.
It could possibly be. So there's actually 2 items there, right?
Yeah, but it's all classed as number 9.
Yeah, so let us know what your thoughts
in the comments, tell us what that is.
In the bag.
In the bag.
We're still keeping it.
Well, hopefully we can throw some of this junk away
one day.
If people tell us it's junk.
Yeah.
Right. We're getting on to hard things now.
Yeah, this is now where I think we need help.
I know what this is off, I think.
Oh.
Number 10. Flat. Couple of little grooves coming up there.
I think I know what that is then.
With 4 screw holes.
Yeah.
What could that be off on our motorhome? In fact, I don't think it fits our motorhome, which is why it isn't on.
I think, actually, should we be honest?
No.
No. Right.
That's number 10.
Number 10, yeah.
So remember, in the comments, you just put in number 10 and what it is.
Yeah. Right, number 11. What is this? We have no idea. It's brand new.
We don't know, do we?
Have no idea. It looks like this.
It's a very curvy...
Oh!
Oh, do you know now?
I think I might know.
I have no idea. Let me have a look at that. Okay,
I think I might know. I'll tell you after.
Okay, that's like a groove there. Yeah, that's what I was just thinking.
Yeah.
That might pick that up, Mazzy. It's a very good microphone. Okay, so that's number 11.
Right, I'll keep that. I have no idea why. It's only because it's brand new and, you know, I'll probably never ever use it.
Just hate throwing things away.
Yeah, we all do, don't we? Right, so that's number, what was that? 11.
11.
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to do this one, Mazzy, but I do need to cut it open. Oh, I need a knife.
We have no idea what this is.
We don't know what's in here. But it is well wrapped. It doesn't look like we've ever been inside this.
No, we haven't.
I think we must have been sent this by a company and for some reason it's never been touched.
It's probably one of those jobs where you've done and then you end up with about 13 pieces left over.
Yeah.
You know them kind of jobs?
Oh, well, yeah, I do know them jobs very well. All right. Oh,
okay.
We've got a load of screws.
Okay.
I've still no idea.
No.
Oh, how am I going to show this to the camera? Right, we've got a little groovy thing there with 2
I
holes.
feel it looks familiar, but I'm not sure.
I think that's giving me an idea.
Is it?
Yeah.
But there's 2 of them in that bag.
There's 2 of them.
You have to show them what's in the bag.
I can't, Mazzy, I can't. Right, you've got a big thing with a screw thread down each side.
Oh. Okay. Oh, I know what it is. I know what it is.
Big screw.
Yeah. Big screw, little screw.
Another one of them. Another screw and some washers and nuts.
Right, okay, I know what that is for.
I don't.
Don't you?
No.
Should I tell you?
No.
Right.
Unless it's something I can do as a job. Because I'm good at jobs.
No.
That is number 12. What is number 12?
Right, my go. Right, this was brand new, right? This was in a bag as well, and Dan opened it, thinking it might do our job that we wanted to do today.
It's like a little seesaw.
I have no idea what that is.
It's almost like a puzzle, or it's meant to grip something, but it isn't.
It's obviously off a job, possibly, that we've done before. I don't know.
Don't know, but what I'm planning on, what I was thinking of is if I take these apart, they would make, you know, just have one, we could rest something in the middle of there, such as a fly screen, but
No.
Mazzy isn't up for that.
No, it's not the right job. And we haven't got Velcro.
So that was number 13.
Yeah, let us know even if you remember us doing a job and ended up with that as a leftover spare. Let us know.
Let us know, because we need to know.
We have no idea, yeah.
As I say, we haven't got answers to all these questions.
No.
And I'd like to see other people's bags. You know,
Yeah.
other people do this, like
What's
Bob
in
and
your
Jenny and people
bag?
like you. What's in your bag?
That's what we're going to call this. What's in your bag?
Because everyone's got one of these bags full of
Yeah.
bits, and you don't know what half of them are.
Yeah.
Even people with houses, you've all got a drawer with things like this in it.
Last one.
Last one. No, I
Believe it or not, we've probably got a lot more actually, haven't we? But
yeah. You know, I've got a rough idea, but
I know what
still.
that is.
I know what this
Yes.
is.
I know what that is.
So it's made out of
Brass. Yeah.
thread at that side, thread at that side,
It's got a
different
seal.
sizes,
It's got a seal in
seal
one
in
end.
each side.
Yeah.
That is number 14.
Yeah. You think you know what that is?
Yes.
Yeah.
So let us know in the
Yeah.
comments what each of them items are. Number
Yeah.
them. Number 1 to 14.
14.
1 to 14.
Yeah.
I just thought it'd be interesting to share that with you.
Yeah, just a bit of fun, innit? That was fun, wasn't it?
That was great fun.
Yeah.
I
you
hope
enjoyed
I
that.
hope they enjoyed it.
Yeah.
We'll have to wait and see.
Yes.
So we have to challenge 2 people, and what we'd like them to do is do the challenge and then challenge 2 other people,
Yes.
ideally. Now we are calling it the Motorhome Challenge. I suppose you could have camper vans in there as well. It wouldn't really matter, but let's start with motorhomes, yeah?
And when we say bag, we mean like your rubbish bag that you know that you hide things.
The things in the drawer.
The things, yeah. It could be your drawer.
Just come up with like 10 things. We came up with 14, doesn't
Yeah.
matter how many.
Yeah.
Come up with about 10 things and what's in the bag. So I am going to challenge Bob and Jenny, seeing as we've mentioned them in this video.
Bob Earnshaw's channel. Okay,
Bob Earnshaw.
that's brilliant. Yes, I want to challenge the Rolling Rocks because they're a lovely, beautiful family, and I want to know what possibly could a family have in their bag.
In their bag. What is in their bag?
There we go. So the Rolling Rocks and a Bob and Jenny. Bob
That
Earnshaw.
is a challenge out to
Yeah.
you guys. Take up the challenge if you like. You don't have to, but
No.
I don't know. I don't know why we've started this, but we have.
I have no idea, but it's a bit of fun, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah.
Right, catch you all tomorrow.
Yeah,
Have a good
take
day.
care.
Bye-bye.